Is it possible to make 4,000 using color pattern? In this video, I will be showing you guys the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips to help you enhance your win rate whether you are a beginner or experienced trader. I'm going to set the timer, guys. Instead of using the regular, I'm going to try use the flag mode. You guys know I love the flag mode because it in sync with the candle itself. So therefore, using the flag mode sometimes can give you an advantage in the market, and I'm going to show you why. Let's find some opportunity. Okay, so I'm taking this one, and I also took it with discount entry, guys. So my entry is all the way here, right? So this secures the trade. And let me explain something to you about the color pattern. Now you notice that there was a red, then a green, there was a red, then a green. So I'm expecting when I see this red, the price supposed to at least reverse and create a green candle again, right? So this is the sequence of the market. I could call it a color sequence. For me, I call it color sequence because it's color, right? Red and green. And as you see, my candle is turning green. If I even enter at the open, I would still win the trade, but I just like to use discount entry whenever I'm using the flag mode. This is why flag mode is superior. Okay, so I'm taking this for a big discount right here. And guys, you notice there is 24 seconds on the candle right here, right? And if the candle closed green as my prediction, I will still win the trade. And this is why I love the flag mode, guys. It just flows. It helps you to flow with the market, but also you need to make sure that you're using a strategy that suits the flag mode. Okay, so I use my discount entry right here, guys, and I saw that I needed to, so that's the reason why I did that. And this trade was a winning trade. Okay, I'm taking this one for a buy right here. Let me go over everything. The reason why I even took this one without margin, without discount entry, margin of safety, whatever you call it, it's because I noticed that even the red candle created a higher high compared to the previous high. So that means buyers are active in this area. Plus, we already saw that whenever one red candle formed, there's a green. One red candle, there's a green. There's another red candle, so we're expecting a green. So my confidence went through the roof on this one, guys. And as you can see, it's working out exactly as I wanted it to, which is so amazing. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so yeah, that one was a success. Let's find another opportunity. Ooh, so I didn't bother to hesitate, guys, because I could feel the I just have a lot of confidence in this one, which there's a lot of weeks in this market. I should have waited for some margin of safety, but I didn't want to miss it, guys, to be honest with you. And my entry is still not perfect, but it's okay. I think it's fine. Okay, let me repeat this process. For some people might be new to the channel, so therefore some stuff they might not get. But yeah, this is what one green, there's a red, one green, there is a red, and another green. So I'm expecting this to be a red. No, my entry should have been on my wick, guys. You know how much I love to trade when the price is on my wick. But I was so confident in this trade. I'm confident I was going to get a red candle, and therefore it happened. See that? Now I'm going to search for another opportunity. I have something very important to say to you guys in the next trade, so stay tuned. So the reason why I waited here for a discount entry was because I see that this was a very steady trend. And this is a thing, right? You have to know that whenever you're trading, even if your strategy is good, you need to use common sense, right? There are just some things that only common sense can really accomplish, right? For instance, I know that I was going against a steady trend, So what I did was I used margin of safety. Even though I see that one green, then a red, one green, then a red, it's working for me, but I still use discount entry because I'm thinking, what if the trend persistent? See what I'm saying? But this turns out to be a success, so let's find another opportunity. Okay, so now I'm still going to trade on this pair right here. This is what KS USD. I saw that there was a red, then a green, a red, then a green, then another red, and I'm in the trend direction now. So now my confidence is like through the roof, very confident in this opportunity right here. Let's see if it's going to turn out to be a success. As I said, going with the trend gives you some advantage. It doesn't mean you must win, but it just gives you advantage. Okay, as you guys seen, I won 2 trades back to back on the same pair. That's amazing. That's so amazing. Wow, guys, I almost got a better discount entry, and this is the benefit of flag mode. It's just so unique. Guys, this strategy here, which you are seeing, it can also be used on forex, futures, stocks, cryptocurrencies. It's because it's universal. My strategies are very universal. I try to make them universal because at the end of the day, whichever market I want to go in, I can stand up very solid with my strategy. You see what I'm saying? My strategy is very solid in each market. And you guys are seeing this for yourself. Imagine you were on like forex right here and you took this. You will be more confident knowing that this candle will definitely go in the upward direction. If you're on like the 4-hour time frame, this will be a lot of pips. See what I'm saying? Okay, so that was a success. Let's find another opportunity. I'm taking this. No, I know why the price is behaving this way. It's merely because of the inside gap. It's trying to close, but I am way above the closing area, so I think this will the discount entry will filter anything that's going on. And the reason why I said that was, you notice whenever we have inside gaps, and this is a very strong one, it will try to be filled. But because I use discount entry, I could still enter because we are already expecting sellers. You see right here, one green, red, one green, red, one green, red, one green, red. That's what I'm saying. And the color pattern turns out to be a successful movement for me right here. Let's find another opportunity. I'm taking this for sure. I don't even care about discount entry because I see that we are with the direction of the market, which is the trend. So I'm expecting a very solid red candle here. That's the reason why I didn't run for discount entry. Guys, the main reason why I sing about discount entry, it's because when I'm using the flag mode, the price just closed with the candle, so therefore discount entry just gives you a additional comfort. Okay, wow, just wow, this opportunity is I'm so confident in this one. I don't want to even say how confident I am. Like, it's just so beautiful. You see this higher high compared to this high, and it's on a red candle. Yeah, that's pretty much a high confident trade. Plus, we have our color sequence. See, one red, green, one red, green, one red. I'm expecting a green right here. Plus, we are in the direction of a very much strong trend, and I took discount entry. There's just so much things in my direction. So let's see the outcome of this particular trade, guys. Come on. Beautiful. And that trade was a successful trade. To be the end of my video. If you guys want to learn more about trading and stuff like that, you can apply for the mentorship, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.